every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! We're gonna need, for the pesto, 80 grams of fresh basil leaves, 30 grams of pine nuts, toasted, 2 small cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of grated lemon zest, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 20 grams of freshly grated parmesan, and salt and pepper. For the remaining ingredients, we're gonna need 500 grams of linguine pasta, 20 grams of freshly grated parmesan, and some pepper. I started by filling a large pot with water, which is coming to a boil, and while that's happening, I'm going to start on the sauce. I will add the basil, pine nuts, lemon zest, lemon juice and garlic to my food processor and pulse a couple of times. Then, while pulsing, I'll slowly start adding the extra virgin olive oil. After transferring the sauce from the food processor to a bowl, I'm going to lightly season it with salt and pepper, just because it's easier for me to understand just how much to add it. Add in the parmesan and stir everything together. That's the pesto. Once the water is boiling, I will generously salt the water and cook the pasta to al dente, reserving half a cup of the starchy pasta cooking water. After draining the pasta, I'll put it back to the pot along with half of the sauce. Just because I cooked only half of the pasta actually, I'll use the rest of the sauce later, don't you worry. And then half of the parmesan, half of the reserved cooking water, just because I'm using half of the pasta, and some freshly grated black pepper. Now the only thing left to do is give everything a big stir, and that's it. Thank God for big kitchen, because I could hide all the mess I made. This is one of those recipes where it seems like you're using so little ingredients, so little dishes and bowls, and yet if I showed you the reality, you'd understand just how messy of a cook I am. Oh my God, look at this. My mouth is watering. I know this will be good. I already tried, I don't remember which day it was of my challenge, Laura's pesto recipe, so I just know this will be amazing. Look at, oh my God, I think this will be the most modest bite of them all. Oh my God. Should I already try? And now I will chew. You know, look at me. I'm like a chipmunk. Fresh pesto is where it's at. Nothing beats it. There is one amazing jarred pesto I found, but still, if you have some basil on your hands, I highly recommend trying out. Just making some fresh pesto and seeing the difference. This is one of those things. I don't really have what to say because it's just amazing, as you can expect from a freshly made sauce. I'm very happy. This looks amazing. When you just make the pesto and pour it on the pasta, can you see how it hugs every single strand? It's just picture perfect. You would think I sat there, tried to... This is how Laura's looks like. This is mine. Both are gorgeous, if I may say so myself. If you want Laura to watch Laura make it, the link is there in the cards. If you want to try this recipe out yourself, I mean, you just choose pasta which you like. Basically, it's a pesto recipe. Once again, the written recipe is in the description box down below in both imperial and the metric systems, because I am converting every single recipe I try into the metric system which I'm using. So, you know, I can enjoy Laura's food. And while I'm assembling another modest bite, I will be signing off. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this was fun and helpful. If you want more recipes like this, the whole playlist is there. And I will see you soon. Bye!